Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we explain how to block certain countries from purchasing in Shopify. So Shopify doesn't have a specific block country button, but you can prevent customers from certain countries from placing orders by controlling the shipping zones and optionally using geo-blocking app for strong restrictions. So the easiest method is through a shipping settings. So in your Shopify admin, go to the settings, then click on shipping and delivery. Then from there, manage your shipping delivery profile. For countries you want to allow, set up the shipping rate. For countries you want to block, don't add any shipping rate at all. So for countries you want to block, don't add shipping rate at all. So Shopify will then show a message like, we don't ship to this location. So at a checkpoint, if someone from a block country tries to order, the method is simple, requires no code, and works effectively for most stores. However, if you want to go further and block access to your store or show a custom block message based on visitor's location, you will need a geo-blocking app like geo IP country restricts easy location and all of that. You can also get a shop protector. This can help you detect visitors location and prevent them from browsing or shopping if they are from